Alright, well, my wife is at the hardware store getting some blades for my Sawzall, or reciprocating saw since it's Craftsman brand. Thought I'd go through this. These are the parts that I got. BBK 1 7/8 long tube headers. Might as well get the 1 7/8. The 1 3/4 is the same price. Might as well go bigger. Plan for the future. And then I got both of the sensor extension kits. And I got the MBRP catback. And the Cook's 3-inch catted H pipe. The part between the basically where the H pipe actually connects, you can see even in this picture that there's a little bit of a step down. Well, here's the funny part. The catback, the ends that plug into that mid pipe, they are a little loose, so I might have to cut some reliefs to cinch them down.